Lesson 3: Successful Translation. Since the goal of translation is to ensure that the source and the target texts communicate the same message while taking into account the various constraints placed on the translator, a successful translation can be judged by two criteria. 1. Faithfulness, also called fidelity, that is the extent to which the translation accurately renders the meaning of the source text, without adding to or subtracting from it, and without intensifying or weakening any part of the meaning. 2. Transparency, that is the extent to which the translation appears to a native speaker of the target language to have originally been written in that language, and to conform it to the language's grammatical, syntactic, and idiomatic conventions. The criteria used to judge the faithfulness of a translation vary according to the topic, the precision of the original content, the type, function, and use of the text, its literary qualities, its social or historical context, and so forth. The criteria for judging the transparency of a translation would appear more straightforward. An unidiomatic translation sounds wrong, and in the extreme cases of word-for-word translations generated by many machine translation systems often result in nonsense. Nevertheless, in certain contexts, a translator may knowingly strive to produce a literal translation. For example, literary translators and translators of religious works often adhere to the source text as much as possible. To do this, they deliberately stretch the boundaries of the target language to produce an unidiomatic text. Likewise, a literary translator may wish to adopt words or expressions from the source language to provide local colors in translation. Thank you and goodbye.